Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. We're turning over to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert over in the Weather Center for a look at what our temperatures are looking like. Right now it feels pretty cool out, 60s, 50s, but that's not going to be the case for the rest of the day.
Yes, it is going to be another hot day, but the good news is that it's going to be a little bit less hot as opposed to the previous few days, because we were in the midst of that pretty brutal heat wave for this time of the year, but we have now cooled things off. 50s and 60s this morning across the News Watch 12 viewing area. You were just taking a live, gorgeous look at the sun coming up in Klamath Falls, courtesy of the Sky Lakes Medical Center. You can see most of us in the 50s and 60s, although we are tracking some 40s for portions of Klamath and Lake counties this morning. So in those areas, maybe you just need a light jacket, but a little bit later today, it should be very warm / hot for inland areas, and that, just like with yesterday, will once again fuel some chances for showers and thunderstorms. So put Stormcast in motion. After lunchtime is when we can expect some showers and thunderstorms to pop up again for Siskiyou County, for Klamath County, and for Lake County. Then the sun goes down. The showers and thunderstorms will lose their fuel. But then into Friday, we're going to go through the exact same thing again. So after lunchtime, showers and thunderstorms popping up for Siskiyou County, Klamath County, and Lake County. And then the sun will go down and most of us will dry out. The main concern with these thunderstorms will be the lightning, especially over some of the critically dry fuels that we have, especially for the Cascades, for the Klamath Basin, and for the Klamath National Forest. But for the Rogue Valley for today, we'll be dry. We'll have more sunshine, definitely t-shirt weather out there, as high temperatures will be about 10 degrees above average for early July, which is better as opposed to the 15 degrees above average we were for yesterday. So with us being 10 degrees above average, that'll place us near 90 to the east of the Cascades, mid-90s now for west side valleys, and pretty cool along the coast still with 50s and 60s because of the marine layer. So skies will also be mostly cloudy because of that. And then for tonight, as the sun goes down, the thunderstorms will fizzle out. We'll continue to keep things pretty clear for inland areas. And then along the coast, we could have some more patchy marine layer fog. Overnight lows will be mild, near 50 degrees to the east of the Cascades, near 60 for our west side valleys, and right near 50 along the coast in Curry County, which is where we'll keep it for this weekend, where we'll see a gradual clearing of the marine layer into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which means that each day will be a little bit warmer and we'll see a little bit more sunshine. But for the Rogue Valley, we'll have nothing but sunshine over the next 7 days. High temperatures staying pretty consistently about 5 degrees above average. We'll track another chance for some showers and thunderstorms into Saturday, once again for Klamath Lake and Siskiyou counties, but then after that going back to being pretty hot and pretty dry, which means that we'll have more critical fire weather into next week. We're already circling Wednesday as a potentially problematic day, so keep it tuned right here to News Watch 12, and me and Matt will continue to have updates on that fire forecast. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see that clearing of the marine layer into the weekend and then more sunshine into next week. For Siskiyou County, we'll have a chance for a shower and thunderstorm today and tomorrow, but then we'll dry out into Saturday and Sunday. It looks like we could have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday thunderstorm chances for the Klamath Basin. Next week looking pretty dry. And then for the Cascades, we'll have the same 3 days with thunderstorm chances. And then for the Rogue Valley, no thunderstorm chances over the next 7 days, just sunshine, hot and dry.